Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my YouTube channel. A friend of mine just sent me a bark box for my dog Kona, and so we're gonna see what's inside. This is from barkbox.com, and this is the Sweetie Pies Barkery box, as you can see here. So before I show everything to Kona, let's just take a look at what's inside. So we got one dog toy, two dog toys. It looks like this one comes out. Yep. And then we have some chicken stick recipe. There, some treats. We have some Clucky jerky cuts, chicken recipe, some more treats. Oh, Kona's gonna love this. Let me tell you something. This is gobble jerky nibbles, some turkey treats. And then we have How to Bark Box. So I guess at least 2 mind-blowing toys designed in-house with unique materials, 2 full bags of treats, a scrumptious chew. I guess it tells you how to use their products, how to purchase them. And then inside, we have all kind of, I guess, different options that you can get with your bark box. Okay, well, let's show Kona. All right, so here's my puppy Kona, and here's the bark box. She is going insane. I think I might have lost her. Kona, come here. Come here. Come here. She is so excited. So she's got the like cupcake toy, and this toy does come out. This is another one. It's kind of in 2 parts. And then I'll give her one of these chicken treats later. But here, let's see if I can get her one of these chicken treats here. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come here. There you go. Oh, she likes that. And let's see. This is one of the turkey ones. There you go. There you go. It looks like she absolutely loves it. Hey, thank you so much for watching. Again, this is from barkbox.com. Go and get yours today. Say bye, Kona.